Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to access the HCC library database from the Hillsborough Community College homepage. You're going to want to be able to access the Hillsborough Community College library database for a variety of reasons for academic sources, journals, magazines, and articles. Let's get to it. So, the first way that you can access the library database is to come over to Menu. On the scroll down menu, go to Support Services, click the option, click on Library, and then from here, if you're actually going to look for one of the online databases, you're going to want to look under Research Tools on the bottom left hand of the screen and click on Databases A to Z. This is where you can narrow your search down to a variety of the different databases that you have access to through the HCC libraries. If you have questions about which database you should use, please check out some of our other videos on determining which database to use and then how to use that database. Thanks for watching, and if you have questions, please come to BACA 207 on the Brandon campus and work with one of our tutors.